The old newspaper phrase, hot off the presses, has new meaning for the New York Post today, where a controversial cartoon has lots of people hot under the collar.
Here you have someone using race-tinged cartoons to racially offend the president.
At issue, today's cartoon in the New York Post that shows a cop shooting a monkey to death while his partner says they'll have to find someone else to write the next stimulus bill. Reverend Sharpton says it's worse than Don Imus's derogatory comments about the Rutgers women's basketball team. The Post says Sharpton
seems to play into the old stereotypes of African Americans being monkeys. This inference is something that is divisive.
They do feed a kind of negative and stereotypical way that people think.
It's racist.
It's pretty disgusting. What newspaper is that?
It's the New York Post.
Shame on you.
It's the President of the United States. They have no respect.
It's appalling in America that someone could, write something that terrible about the president and have it published. Someone needs to get fired.
Post editor-in-chief Carl Allen issued a statement saying the cartoon is a clear parody of a current news event, to wit, the shooting of a violent chimpanzee in Connecticut. It broadly mocks Washington's efforts to revive the economy. Al Sharpton says he's going to picket here at the New York Post tomorrow, and if they don't take action against the cartoonist and the editor who okayed the cartoon, he's going to demand that the advertisers stop their ads. In Manhattan, I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.